Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Converting a string to an int in Java is a common task. There are a few different methods to achieve this, and it's important to handle potential issues, such as invalid input or exceptions that may arise during the conversion process. ### methods to convert string to int in Java. 1. Using integer.parseint. This is the most common method for converting a string to an int. If the string is not a valid integer, it throws a number format exception. 2. Using integer.valueof. This method works similarly to integer.parseint, but it returns an integer object instead of a primitive int. It also throws a number format exception if the string is not a valid integer. ### example code. Here's how you can use both methods in practice. ### explanation of the code. 1. String initialization. We have two strings, numberstring which is a valid integer in string form, and invalidstring which contains non-numeric characters. 2. Using integer.parseint. We try to convert numberstring to an int. If successful, it prints the converted number. In case of an invalid input, like invalidstring, it catches the number format exception and prints an error message. 3. Using integer.valueof. Similar to parseint, we attempt to convert numberstring to an integer object. If it's valid, it prints the result. It again handles any exceptions that arise from invalid inputs. ### important notes. Always handle potential exceptions when converting strings to integers to ensure your program does not crash with invalid input. The integer.parseint method will return a primitive int, while integer.valueof returns an integer object, which can be useful if you need to use it in collections or need to work with null values. This tutorial covers the basic and essential methods to convert a string to an int in Java, along with error handling to manage invalid inputs.